Hello guys, good day. So welcome to the second day of our hydroponic journey. And yesterday we started sowing this speed lettuce uh, seed on this tissue paper and container. Looks like I need to sprinkle some water again so it will not go dry. So I like this method as it is cleaner, and I will be able to observe it closely as it sprout. Meanwhile, while there's no roots, I'm going to hide this on a dark place, then wait for it to germinate. And once there's the root start showing, I will transfer this to a container or seedling container with the cockpit, and then start exposing it to sunlight, to the morning sunlight. So that's for now, and see you later. Thanks for watching.